New tonight, 911 calls from Unicoi County Dispatch reveal moments when floodwater from Hurricane Helene reached that area. The several feet of water left some neighbors and first responders stranded and calling for backup. This as tomorrow marks 3 months since Helene rocked a community by storm. 10 News reporter Maria Guzman obtained 1 hour worth of dispatch calls from the day rushing water submerged that county.
Yes, Shay, according to Unicoi County Dispatch, they answered hundreds of calls during Hurricane Helene. Each call captures a moment of crisis. They range from road closures to radio calls from first responders. I'll walk you through some of those calls.
62 is my number on the roof. I have 62 individuals. Some are patients, some are critical. So whatever we can do here, help me out. Copy, Chief. 62.
Unicoi County 911 Director Alora Oler-Wyatt was one of several dispatchers working the phones when Hurricane Helene brought torrential rainfall to the mountainous region.
Unicoi County 911.
She was at the center when her fellow first responders called for backup from the Unicoi County Hospital roof.
But we'll be okay. We'll get them out. Copy that, Chief.
They went straight into harm's way, just like any other field unit would.
We'll work the critical ones out first, and then we'll get everybody else.
Hearing the fear and knowing I couldn't do anything else was hard. Most of them on that roof are a part of my 911 board.
This is just one of hundreds of dispatch calls Alora's unit responded to that day in September.
There is a house that's in the middle of that river, and the river, and the people can't get out.
But they are the first responders. Without them, you would not get an officer. You would not get a paramedic.
According to the county, 9 dispatchers helped answer more than 200 calls in just one day.
Everything is flooded over here, and I would be very careful.
We know we have a job to do, and if we break down, we can't do the job we need to do.
The calls ranged from rescues
We've been trapped in here in our house.
to the Army National Guard calling for backup.
Our truck got flooded. We bailed out.
Amidst the chaos and crises, there's one call that came with relief.
Just heads up, we're evacuating.
And tomorrow at 11, I'll share with you how a rescue furry friend is helping the Unicoi County Dispatch team find healing after Helene and the new addition to the team. Shay.
All right. Thanks so much, Maria.